Now, during one of those 8 witness testimonies on Monday, we heard from a state police investigator who showed a police academy graduation video for Officer Schurr, and it showed him being tased, as is customary during training. Now, the video is backed by the soundtrack of Danger Zone, the same song used during the movie Top Gun. The prosecutor made a point to note that the song was an original part of that graduation video and not added after the fact. We talked to a legal and law enforcement expert about why the prosecution shared it and what they're trying to convey.
It's a fun thing to do. Every cadet looks forward to it. It's not that big of a deal. So why should maybe Christopher Schurr worry so much about it? He knows what's going to happen. He knows he's going to come out of it okay. And if Patrick Lyoya had tased him, he would have came through it. But I think when the defense gets to their case, it's more about, well, what if Lyoya had tased Officer Schurr at that moment? Would Lyoya stop there, or would he escalate and remove the officer's gun and cause even further damage?
Obviously, this case centers around the use of a taser and whether or not Schurr was reasonable to fear Lyoya gaining control of it. As the hearing plays out, we'll regularly recap the day with a legal and law enforcement expert. Outside of the courthouse on Monday, I talked with law professor and former state police detective Louis Langham. We also discussed the prosecution's rapid pace in presenting witnesses and the potential impact on the jury. The prosecution has wasted no time getting through 8 witnesses with cross-examination.
They're moving this case along quite a bit. Maybe they're looking to get some straightforward questions in with some straightforward answers and move on from there and get the trial to its conclusion where closing arguments will wrap things up. And maybe it depends on the trial strategy that each particular attorney has, prosecution and defense.
Again, Christopher Schurr faces a second-degree murder charge for the shooting death of Patrick Lyoya in April of 2022. We will continue to cover the trial daily with testimony from inside the courtroom and expert analysis.